How to create an Apple account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys the easiest way you can create an Apple account. And for that, you won't even need an iPhone or an iOS device. So let's get started. First, open up your Safari. On your Safari, you'll need to simply search for account.apple.com. You can do this on any other web browser as well, it's completely fine. Simply search for account.apple.com. Then on the top here, you'll find Apple account, and right beside it, you'll find a drop down button. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you'll find this sign in option and create your Apple account option. Tap on create your Apple account option. Let me tap on that again. And it should take you to this page right here. This is a form that you'll need to fill, which after filling, you will have an Apple account really easily. So simply type in your first name, your last name, your country or region, your date of birth. So let's go through with this. And after your date of birth, you can then simply type in an email address or whatever you want your Apple account to be with. Then confirm your password. Just make sure that you use a really strong password. Then your country code and then your phone number for verification. You can either choose a text message or a phone call for verification, whichever is fine. Then you'll need to go through this CAPTCHA and then tap on continue. After that, you will get a code on your mobile, SMS, or simply get a call depending on how you choose the verification process to be. Then after that, your account will be created. And it's that simple. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.